Experience driving perfection in the 2018 Dodge Durango. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, heated seats, front fog lights, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.